Hello everyone, friends on the Valor channel. Today I will show you how to fix a bug in Minecraft, a login error due to an incorrect session. Like try restarting the game. First of all, open the Task Manager. Right click on Start, click on Task Manager. And here we need to close Minecraft, everything related to Minecraft. This is what we are writing Minecraft. Or we are looking for it, it doesn't matter. For example, we are closing Minecraft launcher and we are also closing OpenJDK platform binary. This is Minecraft OpenJDK platform binary. This needs to be closed. Absolutely. My screen even blinked. That's it. And accordingly, everything related to Minecraft should be removed from here. After that, you need to go to Start and On, and then click on View Connection, respectively Internet Connection. This is where we choose your main adapter. I have Internet 5. Right-click and Properties. For IP version 4, click Properties. Use your DNS. Right here, 88844, and click OK. That's it. After that, run the command line. ipshim sudo ipconfig /flushdens I enter. That's it. Then restart your computer and try playing again. That's all. Valor was with you. Subscribe to the channel. Bye everyone.